Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. This is a year model 2008. How you can upgrade the light in the center console, which is right here. Right now we have the regular bulb and I'm going to upgrade with the LED. How to do it, that I'm going to share with you. So let's get started. Easiest and simplest method. You see this light right here. If you use the pry tool, you can pull this one out and then you can replace the bulb with LED. These two bulbs are burned out and I'm changing it, so I'll show you the easier way to do it from this side. We're going to open it. Once this is open, then this is the one we need to remove it. In order to remove it, first thing you need to do that there are two screws which you need to remove it from the handle. This one is a hex driver, and once the screws are removed, then we're going to pull the handle out. The good thing about 2008 HUMMER don't have any screws in. It has push-in tabs. You put your hand here and you pry this one out. I already opened it, but I want to show it to you. You have to be careful, and if you take a look, the whole thing comes out just like that. Take a look at the bottom. There are 1, 2, 3 on this side, 1, 2, 3 on this side, and 1 and 2. This is 2 in the front. So these 2 goes in the front. 3 goes on this side. 1, 2, 3, and same thing. 1, 2, 3. So as I mentioned that this bulb, you can pull it out from inside, right here with the pry tool or with the screwdriver. That's much easier. But if you had to open your center console, this is the way, I was changing the other bulb, so I said I'm going to change this one too. So be careful, this one is really hot. This is really hot. So you remove it, and now I'm going to upgrade with LED. So this is the LED bulb. We'll place it. Look at this, it's beautiful. And if you look at it right now, it's a daytime, and inside it looks beautiful. So that's how it's easy and simple. You can upgrade your light in a center console. The simplest, easiest way, you do it from inside. But since I opened this one because I was changing my burned bulb, and I thought I should share with you, that's other option you can do it. So if you like this video, like always, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.